I received an email from DJI a few days ago. The Osmo Pocket accessory mount was in stock. Immediately ordered it and received it in about 2 days. It's a really well built mount. The finish is nice, the build quality is very nice, but it has two big problems. Problem one, once you have this accessory mount on, you cannot connect the USB-C connector to it to connect the Osmo Pocket to your phone. You have to see your view only on that 1-inch screen, which does not let you check focus. This is a design fail. Second problem, looking at the video for the wireless module, it looks doubtful that you would be able to connect the wireless module to the Osmo Pocket when you have the accessory mount on it. And the design fail. Because of these two huge problems, it's not usable for me and I'm sending it back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Osmo Pocket stuff. I have quite a few videos on this and I am going to release some more.